Good afternoon. Welcome to the documentary of my journey forex trading. My name is Shady BTC and you're watching the Jump Power. On today's video, we're gonna be looking into three things. First is all the trades we took in the month of March. Second, include the achievements we made. This also includes the payout we were able to secure, the propfirm accounts we were able to pass, and also the accounts we were able to blow. That is, if actually we blew any account. While on the third place, we're gonna be looking at our overall performance. Looking at my screen, the total trades we took in the month of March actually amounted to 18 trades, of which 11 were on Bitcoin, while 7 were on gold. Out of the 11 trades that we took on Bitcoin, we were able to win just 2 and we lost 9. This actually made our win ratio to be very low, and that was roughly around 15%. But on the contrary, we actually had the healthy reward of investment on Bitcoin, and this was actually as a result of our risk to reward, which was on average above 1 to 10. While on gold, we took a total of 7 trades, of which 3 were winning trades, while 4 were losses. This actually kept us at a hit rate of above 45%, but on the contrary, a lower reward of investment. Moving down to the achievements we were able to make in the month of March, we were actually able to pass a propfirm account, which was a Marvin propfirm to be specific. We were also able to secure our first payout. So to see, the month of March was not really a bad one, irrespective of the lower win ratio we had, but on average we were able to secure a green return of investment. In other words, a healthy return of investment in the month of March.